6, leaving the house. I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a long time, if ever. Go up to the mountains. Should be a pretty good day. It's gonna be beautiful out. So let's get up there and enjoy Colorado. So just pulled up to the little information center. There's some information about Gross Dam. If you want to take time to read that, just pause. And yeah, let's continue this journey to see what happens at the Gross Dam. Some say it can get a little gross up there. How gross, you ask? Well, as soon as I get up there, it'll be real gross. You know what I'm saying? So. Home stretch, ladies and gentlemen. Home stretch. So take a look off here to our left. We'll see what we come up here to see. Beauty, mate. There's more. Gross Reservoir. Doesn't look too gross from this point, but when you get down there, it's actually a shad hole. I don't know, I'm gonna see if there's any trails around this thing just to pedal the bicycle. Pedal the unicycle around. I think there is. I think I may just be in luck. Maybe I can even ride the unicycle out on the dam. Well, I suppose. Maybe, perhaps not. Well, made it up to the Gross area. Gross Dam. Gross Lake. Doesn't smell real gross up here. We'll get a closer look. You've seen above the water. We've all seen the dam. We've almost seen the other side of the lake. No biking trails up here, so I guess we'll go back doing it.